You think you have time. You don't. Life feels endless when you're young. You tell yourself you'll get serious later. You'll start tomorrow, next month, next year. But blink once, you're 18. Blink again, you're 25. One more blink, and you're 30, wondering, where did the last decade even go? The truth is, you're not running out of opportunities. You're running out of time. And the worst part? You act like you have a spare life in the drawer. This isn't supposed to scare you. It's supposed to wake you up. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people waste life the same way they waste money. On cheap distractions, bad company, and things that don't last. Scrolling. Whole years lost staring at screens. You don't even remember what you watched yesterday. Overthinking. Waiting for the perfect moment that never comes. Chasing approval. Living for likes, compliments, and validation from people who won't even remember your name. Avoiding discomfort. Always choosing easy, even when it leads nowhere. You don't waste life in big, dramatic events. You waste it in the small, boring habits you repeat every single day. Here's a gut punch. If you're 20, you don't have 80 years left. You have maybe 60 years of health, if you're lucky. Now subtract sleep. That's 20 years gone. Subtract working jobs you don't like. Another 10 to 15 years gone. Subtract scrolling and wasting evenings. There goes another 7 to 10 years. Do the math, and suddenly you've got maybe 20 years of real, usable life. 20. That's it. Life isn't as long as you think. The clock doesn't stop just because you're not ready. So, how do you spend your time wisely? 1. People. Stop wasting time on people who don't matter. If someone drains you, cuts you down, or keeps you stuck, that's wasted time you'll never get back. Spend it on people who add energy, not steal it. 2. Skills. Hours spent scrolling could have been hours learning something that pays you forever. Every skill is an asset, but you keep trading hours for nothing. 3. Health. You say, I'll focus on my health later. Later doesn't exist. If your body breaks down, nothing else matters. A weak body makes a short life even shorter. 4. Creating greater than consuming. Consuming feels easy. Creating feels hard. That's why most people consume 99% of their lives and create nothing. The people who make the world move are the ones who create. Think about it. You spent 2 hours last night scrolling TikTok. That's a whole month every year. Gone. You said, next week, to your goals so many times, you could have been years ahead by now. You've worried about people judging you, people who don't even think about you once they close the app. You're not bad at time management. You're just comfortable wasting it. Here's a trick. Picture yourself at 80, looking back. You won't care how many followers you had. You won't care what car you drove. You won't care if strangers thought you were cool. You'll only care about 2 things. 1. Did I spend my time on things that mattered? 2. Or did I waste it on things I can't even remember? That's the test. Most people fail it. By the end of this video, I want you to realize life is short. But the real tragedy isn't that. It's that you waste it pretending you have more. Your time is currency. Every yes you give to something useless is a no to something meaningful. Once you spend it, it's gone. No refunds, no do-overs. So if you're scrolling right now, ask yourself, is this what I want to spend my life on? Living like life is short isn't depressing. It's freeing. When you know the clock is ticking, you stop caring about stupid things. You stop saying someday. You stop wasting energy on fake friends, on pointless arguments, on chasing approval. Urgency forces clarity, and clarity is how you live wisely. Life is short. That's the bad news. The good news, it's still enough if you spend it wisely. So stop waiting. Stop scrolling. Stop saying later. Later isn't real. This is it. Right here, right now. Spend your life like it actually matters, because it does. Life is short. Don't just live it, spend it wisely. And if you're still sitting there thinking, I'll deal with this later, congratulations. That's procrastination. Click the next video. It might be the only productive thing you do today.